Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create lists in the Any.do application on your Android. So let us begin. So step number 1, launch the Any.do application, and step number 2, navigate to My Lists here on your home feed. And if you'd like to create a new list, guys, simply tap into that plus button here. Now you can create new lists, for example, to add various tasks, chores and habits to the given list under specific categories. So let me create a list, let's say for fitness or sport or something like that. So simply give it a name. After that, tap into save in the bottom right corner, and that's it. Your list will be then saved so that you may access it by tapping into it. Now if you'd like to add tasks to it, guys, navigate to all tasks at the bottom and go through the list of tasks in your Any.do account. So let me go with this one here. Go to the gym, tap into the given task, and after that, guys, what you want to simply do is tap into the selected category under the reminder, which in this case here is the personal category. Tap into it and select another list, like in this case here, fitness. To assign the task to the list, tap into save in the in the top right corner, and that is going to add the given task to the given list so that you may access the list here. And there you go. As you can see, it's listed here. Now you can tap into these three dots in the top right, and for example, clear your list or delete it, adjust its settings, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.